Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up some BBQ Pit Boys beef torpedo subs at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, let's get the ingredients. In this version of our torpedo subs, we're going to need some green bell peppers, some onions. We have here some marinara sauce. Here we have some Chipotle and adobo sauce. You know about that, right? Here we've got some mozzarella cheese, block or sometimes deli cheese. You're going to need some SPG. You got some rolls, and of course some good ground beef. All right, let's get started. This here, of course, most of you will recognize is mozzarella cheese. It's a block cheese sold in delis, right? And we're going to take some half-inch, three-quarter-inch slices right off of it, just like that. Now, of course, you could use your favorite cheese on this, but mozzarella works real good on these torpedo subs. So we're going to cut a few. Simple enough. Now, if you've never had a beef torpedo sub, at least a Pit Boy style, you got to check this recipe out. All right, here we've got a sushi mat. You've seen those before. They're made of bamboo. It's often called a Japanese sushi mat, or makisu, right? And we're going to place some heavy-duty aluminum foil on it just to keep our mat nice and clean. And if you cook Japanese style, then you know what we're doing here. All right. Now, we're taking some ground chuck, and we're going to season it up. And then we're going to flatten it out. Maybe like we're making sushi, right? No, but this here's a beef torpedo sub. So we just keep pressing it down, flatten it out fairly thin. I told you this is going to be easy to do. No, it is easy to do. You got to check it out. Now, for this version of our beef torpedo sub, we're going to add a little bit of a marinara sauce. You could use your favorite. And we're going to take one of those slices of mousse, put it in there. You know where we're going with this, right? And then we'll roll it. Now, you don't need a sushi mat to do this. It just makes it a lot easier. You could just use aluminum foil, or maybe you're creative enough. Simple to do, right? And voila. Oh man, that looks like a stuffed sausage. But it's not pork, it's beef. Now, for those of you who fell asleep, we'll show you how to do it again. All right? Get some ground chuck. You want about 85% lean to fat. You want enough fat in there so it rolls nice and cooks good. Now, this version, maybe a little Mexican style. We'll add some Chipotle and adobo sauce. This is a Chipotle pepper. And you know they can pack some heat. But in this sandwich, they're just perfect for a little bit of heat. Spread it on. Grab some more mousse. Oh, yeah. This is gonna be good. And then we'll wrap it. Now, if you're bored of the same old burgers at your pit, try this method. You'll be standing in line to get one. All right, again, perfect. All right, we made 4 of these. We wouldn't bore you with the last 2 we made up. You already got it figured out. And bring them to the pit. We're using our Santa Maria today. It makes it real easy for us, right? Because we can get the exact temperature we want with just the crank of the wheel. But you can do these on a kettle or any grill you have. You don't want to cook it fast. You want the meat to firm up, right? So in the meantime, we're going to cut some green bell peppers and some onions. This is for our Vegematic fans. So we'll stick with this for a while. Keeps our vegetarian friends coming back because they know occasionally we do veggies. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. All right. The Vegematics love that shot, right? All right. We're just about done cooking these. We've rolled them a number of times. Get an even heat on there. You can see the mozzarella cheese is beginning to ooze out. And I say it's time to take it off the grill. Toast up some buns. We're just using a hoagie roll. And I say it's time to eat. Oh, take a look at that. Are you kidding me? There's just not much more to say about this. And I would say this is better than an Italian sausage, pepper and onion sandwich. Because when you get into this, you're biting through some awesome beef. All that beef burger flavor. All right. The onions and peppers have been fried. Let's put this together. We're going to add a little bit of more marinara sauce here. You can use what condiment you want. Pile on some of those green bells and onions. And load on a torpedo. And of course, as always, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but we call this Pitmaster privilege. Yeah, you get yourself some Pitmaster privilege. Check this recipe out. And if you get a chance, be sure to sub us, follow us, give us a thumbs up, start a chapter on our website. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.